Hi guys, so I'm doing a quick remedy for my daughter who has a cough and scratchy throat. Okay, so this is a cup of honey, alright, and local will be the best. Then we're gonna get lime, squeeze it, we're heating it up, right? Just let it heat up a little bit. Whoop, that's a lot. Okay, because lime cures and helps to, boost up your immune system, and honey kind of smooths the throat. But now we're going to be doing On Guard, known as Protective Blend. So this is really awesome because it's going to help to kill bacteria and viruses. You heard right, viruses. So I'll do like a 2-drop thing. Okay, here goes 1 and 2. 2 drops. And then you start mixing it. This is all liquid. Then you get a jar and you just save it, guys. And that is how you're going to help your throat. Alright? Cool. Let me know how this tastes and try it out. Bye.